Hello, my name is Desiree Catalbas, Section B, and today I'll be presenting my project called Catalbas Bakery Ordering and Delivery System, a full-stack e-commerce platform designed for bakery businesses. The system allows customers to order bakery products online, staff to manage deliveries, and administrators to monitor the whole platform. The project includes features such as shopping cart management, direct payment, integration and delivery tracking, admin dashboard, and real-time notifications. Technically, the system is built using Symfony 7, PHP 8.2, MySQL, Docker, Firebase, and Stripe. The project follows Symfony's standard structure for maintainability and scalability. Inside the SRC folder, I have controllers for request handling, entities for database models, services for business logics, and repositories for database queries. The config folder contains Symfony configuration, while template stores Twig front-end pages. I also use Doctrine 0 ORM for database operations and migrations for version controlling the database schema. Sensitive credentials such as database connections and API keys are stored in the env file using environment variables for security. The project also uses important Symfony components such as Security Bundle, Doctrine, ORM, API Platform, and JWT authentication. All source code is managed using GitHub for version control and collaboration. Each commit documents project progress such as feature implementation, bug fixes, deployment, configuration, and security improvements. GitHub also allows easier deployment integration with hosting platforms. The application is deployed using Docker containerization to ensure consistency between development and production environments. The deployment process starts by connecting the GitHub repository to the hosting platform, which is Railway. Once connected, every push automatically triggers a deployment. Production environment variables such as database credentials, Stripe keys, and Firebase credentials are configured securely through the hosting dashboard. Uh, During deployment, database migrations are executed automatically to create tables and maintain schema consistency. Some deployment challenges included missing environment variables and migrations issues, which were resolved through debugging and configuration fixes. This is the hosted web bakery application running in production. This is the main homepage where users can access the system. The system demonstrates full CRUD functionality, create, read, update, and delete through its core modules such as products, orders, or deliveries. User or admin or staff can add new records into the system, like order. Uh, all data is displayed dynamically from the database. Existing records can be updated anytime, and the record can also be removed from the system. The system uses validated forms to ensure proper and secure data input. Forms are handled with validation to ensure data integrity before saving to the database. All operations are connected to MySQL database where data is stored and retrieved dynamically using backend logic. Every operation performed in the system directly affects the database in real time. Overall, this section demonstrates the system is fully functional with complete code operations, validated forms, and database integrations, all deployed in a hosted environment. During development,
I encountered several challenges, especially in Stripe integration, real-time notifications, deployment, and data migrations. This were solved through documentation research, debugging, testing, and proper configuration management. This project taught me important lessons about security, deployment, testing, scalability, and real-world software engineering practices.